With a new year comes the opportunity to make drastic changes, to reset our intentions, our professional and our personal goals. And if you feel pressure to make change, don't worry, you're not alone. The fact that the calendar alone flipped to a new year doesn't mean that you're ready to make sweeping changes. And being vague in our approach can lead to anxiety, it can lead to depression. Change is a good thing, and stepping outside of our comfort zone can change us in really powerful ways. But it all comes back to intention. If you set a goal for yourself to be happier this year, or be healthier this year, or be a better sterile processing professional this year, you're likely going to have a hard time measuring those things. I want to encourage you to take those larger themes and think of one thing that you can do each day to set you on the path toward achieving it. If your intention is to be a better tech this year, every day you can listen to an industry podcast or read a new standard. Every week you can watch an on-demand webinar. This year you can study for a new certification or get a micro-credential. Don't lose sight of those big themes, but intend to develop the steps that will get you there. It's a new year. You get to decide how to navigate it. I'm Lindsay Brown, and this is your 60-second growth spurt.